When Riley left this world, it left us devastated and heartbroken. During my pregnancy at that time, the vaccine wasn't offered to me. Getting vaccinated during pregnancy reduces the chance of a newborn contracting whooping cough by around 90%.
Babies under 6 weeks of age are too young to be vaccinated against whooping cough. By getting vaccinated when pregnant, you pass on antibodies to your baby, protecting them in the first few months of life.
Vaccination during pregnancy is safe and recommended for all pregnant women in Australia. Protecting your baby when they're too young to get vaccinated themselves is so important.
Ask your doctor, specialist, nurse or midwife today or visit health.gov.au/immunisation. Authorised by the Australian Government, Canberra.